Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at MECARD, DELUXE Fitter YURL, which is kind of weird that they call them deluxe fitters, and deluxe fitters are like their standard size, and then the jumbo ones are like their deluxe ones, which is weird. You think MECARD's, standard size, and the big jumbo ones should be called, the deluxe ones, and I want upward from there, if they continue on with it. I guess apparently the series is still popular in Korea, because this is actually a Korean-made show. We got it here in America, but it never hit any major networks, which is kind of a shame. You think Cartoon Network it would have been pretty popular on? I can't really say Discovery Family Channel. I don't really see it being too popular on there. Perhaps the Disney Channel, Disney DX Channel, any one of those other ones, yeah. And no, it wasn't even aired on any of those channels. It was aired on I can't even feel it, but it's like generic, just basic TV antenna. Yeah. So in Korea, this is called MECARD Tuner. Here in America, we just call it MECARD. This one's Yuri. You get free cards in here, made by Mattel. So here's how you kind of play the game. Wall card over card. Card activates pop-up transformation. Battle with a friend. Which faction you? Red, blue, or black? Poster. Cut your poster inside. You can go to MECARD.com. So yeah, pretty much it's like the Bakugan version of cars. Okay, think of it like that. Bakugan, those little battle ball type of spears. It's like that, only with cars. Now, I do know later on in the series, a MECARD modes, or MECARD tuner, in the Korean one, which they still kept the line going, they had a lot more things. There was like little spinning Beyblade tops inside of them to do battle with. They launched a secondary car out of them. It got more involved where it was like, wow, these are great. Here in America, we just got the basic standard stuff, which was kind of garbage. Now, some places that you still can buy these, like the official Korean ones, which is Sonocon ones, because here in America we got Mattel. The Sonocon ones, Amazon, eBay. And if you want to get bootleg KO knockoff ones, but still very good quality and a cheapish price, Sertoys.com, they had them there. Because I know someone, they bought a bootleg, and they're like, yeah, I just bought this one. It's a bootleg. I paid $180 for it. And it's like, okay, you paid $180 for a bootleg. Did you even get the transformation cards with it? They're like, no. I don't even know that this show exists. I don't know that there was a YouTuber who was, streaming it, on their channel. Which they had a Korean one, so it's called MECARD Tuner. But it had even subtitles on there. I mean, he didn't know anything about it. He was just like, it's a car! It's a bootleg! I spent over $180 for it! And I was like, dude, you paid too much for it. Because, like I said, I was like, okay, you don't even know anything about it. I wrote in the comments, I was nice and polite. But it's like, okay. Because he was like, hey, if anyone has any information about this, let me know in the comments. Well, I was type. And I was like, hey, hi, it's called MECARD Tuner in Korea. It's a Korean-based show at the time. Before we acquired it over here in America, it's from Mattel. Here's the YouTube channel. Here's the native channel. Here's the link to the channel. It's going to be in Korean, but actually I believe it was in Cantonese language. But underneath there, you can read the subtitle in English, so you kind of have an idea of what's going on in the show. I was like, hey, I'm the character of the show. This is my car. Evan. Yeah. Macardamos. You could read along with it and stuff. Yeah, I was like, okay, you know what? If you want to get the official ones, because at the time the official ones were SonoCon. I was like, Amazon, eBay, official, brand new, still in the original packaging with the cards and stuff, way less than what you paid. I was like, hey, if you like the bootleg ones, searchtoys.com. They're not going to come, in the original packaging because the bootleg ones, but they are going to come with the cards. So you get everything except for the bots, the poster, the instructions, but you just get the main thing, the card and the cards, which was all you needed at the time. And it was like, oh, well, back to me, real nasty and snot. He was like, sir, you do not know what you're talking about. You did not do your research. Okay, I did not do my research. That I found a YouTube channel that was running every single episode from episode 1 to episode 160. Not only did I find the channel, I gave the channel's name, I gave a link to the channel. I told them that it was a Korean-based show. They spoke Cantonese language on the show. You could read the English subtitles on the show in closed caption. I told him, hey, you want to get the official ones, the SonoCon ones? Amazon, eBay. Links to both websites. You want to get the unofficial ones that's not going to come in the box, but you're going to get, your main components, the card and the cards. The bootleg ones, searchtoys.com. Link down below in the description, in the comment section. Yeah, and I'm the one that did not know what I was talking about, that I did not do my research. Yeah, he's the one who bought a bootleg that did not come with any transformation cards that he spent 180 freaking bucks on. That he did not know that this was an anime show, that it was a Korean anime show, that there was a YouTuber who was streaming it, that he could watch the episodes and try to follow along, that there were official websites like Amazon and eBay that were selling the official ones, made by SonoCon, and that you could go and get the bootleg one for a cheaper price than what he paid for the bootleg one. Yeah, and I'm the one that didn't do my research. I dropped a ton of information that he could just quit on all the little website links down below. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So yeah, back to the unboxing review. Let's get this open up and collect it. So here is Yuri, which it's kind of weird. He's kind of leaning more forward-ish. He's supposed to have his head back like that, and he's supposed to kind of lean a little bit back like this, not like that. So time to reveal our fraction, which is kind of like what the old Bakugan used to have. It's this one, they kind of put a sticker in a hard place to get it peeled off. Let's see, I might have to actually use this. And we have a blue faction right there. Here's our little poster. So we have Evan. If I could get the camera to focus. Evan, Phoenix, Venma, Crocky, Semol, Wingtort, Mugen, Kakashi, Dorkrai, Thanos, Yuri, Marine, Mamoru, Deluxe, MECARD, Otto, Tolga, Teru, Arthur, Prince Khan, Grayon, Kragan, Deluxe, actually no, it's not Deluxe, it's just Mantar, Stonehorn, and this one says MECARD, King, Jaws, Mammoth, and then MECARD, Furon. Like, some of these, they don't even give the names, they have to put MECARD in front of them. And these are your jumbo ones, which would actually be considered technically your deluxe ones. These are the standard ones that they're calling deluxe. Yeah. So there's Jumbo MECARD Neo and Jumbo MECARD EOTS. how you play. Each card had something like this. You know, attack points are on both sides. Master ability, and then your type. So circles means you rotate this card that many times. Eyes mean you let that card, and the arrows means you move that card. Each player needs 3 cards and 3 cards. So there's your roll line, your card, you match the card of fraction to your attack points, and that's how you determine stuff. So let's get at these cards here. So we have Tugua. So it has a light, it is gold. Then we have our other cards. So we have Dorkoi, which is bronze, has the move on it, and then we have Marine, which is the move and the look, and silver. So we have gold, bronze, silver. So you lay the cards, you know, face down like this. And I'm just going to keep these two like that for a second here. Let's, you know, take a look at our little instructions of how to fold the card up. Okay, so this saying head and body goes back, tail goes forward along with arms, then large wing, then small wing, which it will look like it would be the small wing, then the large wing. So we're going to do that. So head and body goes back, arms kind of go up like this, which doesn't really line in place. They say